How to fix the error something went wrong, please try again later in Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes this error could be caused due to your network you are in. So make sure to switch to mobile data once and try if this fixes the error. For this, turn off the Wi-Fi on your device and ensure you're connected to mobile data LTE. If this does not work, long press your Snapchat application and go to App Info if you are in Android devices. After that, go to Storage and Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. However, if you are in iPhone devices, you need to go to iPhone Storage, tap on Offload app for Snapchat and confirm when prompted. Then you have to reinstall the app. After this is done and the issue still persists, you might have to restart your device once and then turn it back again. If restarting does not work, completely uninstall the Snapchat and then go to Google Play Store to install it again. Also, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, whether it is LTE or Wi-Fi, and update the Snapchat app time to time for the latest version. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.